Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move on down to light settings, and this is for either one set of lights or a group of lights. I'm going to go ahead and move through these to just go back to all. And if I were to want to change all the lights to have the same settings, then I would do that, and I can navigate by pulling up or down on this right joystick, and I can be on standby. I can change the recycling indicator. I've got on both, so I get an audio and a visual. As the modeling lamps dim down for a moment as well, I get an audio signal. I can go to slave cell on or off, and that's easy enough to just change one or the other by pushing the right one. And I can go down here on the Einsteins, go back here to color mode. If I set that to constant, my lights will all be putting out very similar color every single time. Where if I'm in the action mode, then I get a lot faster speed, but it doesn't guarantee my white balance, my color, my K number is going to be exactly right every single time. So here you navigate up and down, and you can go ahead and work with the different settings here back and forth, and the parameters up and down, and we can get out of here by just pushing to the right again, get back out. So you can change settings here rather than going to the back of your Einsteins or your other lights and trying to make physical settings.